Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you and I've got another NYX beauty box. They keep on rolling them out and there's a few newer ones on their website right now. So links to this box plus all the other boxes you'll find down below in my descriptions. If you're interested in taking a look, then you can find them all there. But this is their mini travel treats beauty box. It costs £12 and it has a value of around £40 and contains 6 beauty treats. They bring out boxes in lots of different price brackets. The cheapest is about £12, but then you've got 15, you've got 18, some on there for £40, £45. There is a load on there and I get so excited. I have a lovely follower called Debbie who messages me to let me know as soon as new boxes arrive. So I'm able to have a look, get some and obviously share with you as well. So yeah, so thank you to Debbie for always keeping me in the know. But I just can't get over how often they bring out these boxes. I don't think there's any other website that bring out as many boxes as NYX do. I'm not complaining. I think it's brilliant. I think it is great. It gives us lots of variety, plus handy for birthday presents, for Christmas presents coming up and things like that. So yeah, I do really like it. So this box then, let's get on to showing you what's inside. So it's a mini treats travel box. I haven't opened it up yet. They're all jam-packed in there. Okay, first up we've got a Clarins. This is a Beauty Flash Balm, tightening and radiance boosting, and there's 15 mils here. This is beautiful. It is gorgeous balm. I'll just show you my hands. And probably this alone at this size is worth more than the box. Clarins do have heavily scented products, so it might not be for everyone, but yeah. It is a really nice product. So that's the first item. Then Philip Kingsley Daily Damage Defense Daily Leave-In Conditioner, and there's 60 mils here. There's a sticker over the information. It says here, it doesn't say anything about the product. It's in between. So there's another sticker in between this sticker. Oh, it's too confusing. It's basically a leave-in conditioner for your hair. There's 60 mils there. Next we've got a very smelly but gorgeous. This is Noble Isle Summer Rising Bath and Shower Gel, and there's 30 mils here. This is lovely. This is really nice. It smells absolutely stunning. Just nice and fresh. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's not too overpoweringly stinky, but it's just really nice and fresh. A really nice shower gel. Ooh, we got a Too Faced Hangover Pillow Cream Ultra Nourishing Night Cream infused with mineral rich stardust, and there's 5 mils here. Oh, I haven't tried this. This is new for me. Apply nightly to clean skin or use after applying serum if desired. Oh, look. How cute is that? That is so cute. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it does smell. I wasn't expecting it to smell. Oh, it smells nice. It smells of strawberry. How weird. Yeah, it smells of strawberry. There. I love the Hangover range, so really excited to give that a go. Then we've got a Miracle Cleanser by Aurelia. This is a creamy balancing cleanser with Protida, Baobab and Kigelia Africana. 30 mils. Aurelia is a gorgeous brand. I've only tried a couple of products from this brand and I think they have all been cleansers. And yeah, I'm sure it's the same one I've tried before. The Miracle Cleanser is just really lovely. It's got a cleanser. Then we've got my favourite for laughability value. Sheet mask. Nip and Fab. This is the Exfoliate Glycolic Fix Bubble Mask Extreme. I did a video on this. I'm sure it's this one. I'm sure it is this one that I scared my neighbour. I did it a couple of years ago. I did a review on YouTube. If you were to type in Diaryofabeautygeek bubble mask, then you will see it. But yeah, oh my gosh, it was so funny. It is so funny. I just looked like a big fluffy panda and the door rang in the middle of it all and it was keep on buzzing, and I didn't want any of my kids who were a little bit younger back then to open up the door. So in a panic, I ran down the stairs. I said, Oliver, don't open the door. And he looked at me. He started screaming. And then looking, because he didn't realise I had the mask on. And then I was like, oh no. So then I opened the door. It was my neighbour. She used to live next door to me. She let out a scream as well. I completely shocked her. And both of them were just like... Oh my god, I was wetting myself laughing. It was the most funniest thing, but the most embarrassing thing as well. Thank god it was my neighbour and no one else. But oh yeah, it is really bubbly. The longer you leave it on, obviously the more bubblier you get, but it felt nice from what I remember. I think it felt nice on my skin. I can't remember to be honest. I just remember the bubbles and the scenario. So yeah, so there you go, a little story there as well. So those are all the products inside this little mini £12 beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got an Aurelia Cleanser, a Miracle Cleanser, we've got a Philip Kingsley, a daily leave-in conditioner, a Clarins Beauty Flash Balm, a Noble Isle bath and shower gel, and a Too Faced Hangover pillow cream, a night cream. And lastly, the Nip and Fab Glycolic Extreme Bubble Mask. I think for £12 it's a really nice little box. A lot of the products I've had before, I've tried before. I think everything besides the Too Faced cream, everything else I've had before, tried before, so there's nothing new for me, but it's a really nice little box for takeaway. You've got a night cream, you've got a leave-in hair conditioner, you've got a bath and shower gel, you've got a sheet mask, which is a little bit weird if you were to take on holiday. You wouldn't necessarily think, oh, I must bring a bubble sheet mask with me. Got to take it on holiday with me. Well, I don't anyway. But you've got the Clarins Balm and also the Aurelia Cleanser. Yeah, I think it's really nice for £12. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you get it? Or have you got your eye on one of the other boxes next I've got? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.